Hi and welcome. I'm Rick Barbosa, Distribution Account Manager with Logitech. Glad to be here again today. I'll be joined by Jimmy Vaughan, Partner Technical Specialist with Microsoft, Paul Barnas, Solution Sales Executive with Ingram Micro, and Josh Blalock, Senior Solution Architect with Logitech. So in our previous episodes, we've talked about the many great Logitech Microsoft certified devices. We've even showed you how to do an install. But what do you do once it's all installed? How do you manage this product? To answer those questions, I'm going to turn it over to Jimmy, and we're going to give you some great insight.
I'm glad you asked, Rick, because it's one of the things that a lot of organizations actually struggle with. I've got all of these devices in. Where am I going and what am I looking at to actually manage these devices? And all of Microsoft Teams Room's devices actually have two separate licenses that they should be attributed with. One is a standard license, which gives you a whole bunch of management features inside of Teams Admin Center. And then there's a premium license. And with that premium license, you actually get the managed rooms program that is an added feature that actually manages Teams rooms above and beyond what's inside of Teams Admin Center. And with that managed room program, there's some extensibility that comes with that room and the statistics and the ability to actually see further into those devices and see exactly what the room is doing, how the health is, what devices are actually connected. Are there problems with the room? But this actually has a couple of things that need to be added on top of that. And one of those, Josh, I'll hand it to you in a second, that you can talk about how Logitech actually looks at that. And another one is the Ingram solution, where even more can be added on top of that. So while Microsoft is looking at it through the standard and the premium license with the managed room program, and basically giving you all of the team services that are there, and then allowing the idea of all of the conference room solutions to be managed under that managed room program, where we can see, hey, there might be an update that's causing an issue through all of the devices. Hey, there's something that you may want to look at inside of this room because we've seen something. Remember, Microsoft's real value in this service is that they are looking at all conference rooms as an overall solution and providing AI and machine learning that is basically bringing those things to the forefront, giving you as a conference room administrator the ability to see, hey, this is what others are seeing. You might want to look at this. But that all sits inside of Teams. And Josh, I think what you're going to show us is a little bit about how Logitech extends even what's outside of Teams with their service and their add-on to the solution.
Exactly. I mean, the Sync platform from Logitech is our cloud-based platform to enroll devices in for a number of purposes, and it works hand in hand with the Teams Admin Center and the premium offerings. Really, a lot of that all connects in a strong partnership behind the scenes there. There's all that benefit of getting common trends through the cloud, through the Microsoft platform, that you can leverage the things Jimmy was just talking about to understand, we're seeing this, you might want to do this. That's all great. But something that's really exciting about the Sync platform that just got announced recently, we're talking about rooms so far. Sync recently got an update to it that works in conjunction with a little app called Logitune that you deploy on your desktop for managing settings in your headset, your webcam, your personal peripherals. With Logitune on the desktop, Sync can now actually enroll devices beyond the rooms. So when you're looking to say, that's all great that I can do all this stuff with managing my rooms, now I got to go sort the headache of managing my personal devices spread across the remote workforce. You can now bring those devices under this Sync pane of glass. I did there, instead of single pane of glass, I said Sync pane of glass. So moving on, you can bring them under one roof. We kind of have some images we're flashing up here for you to see, where you can see how you see your inventories of your rooms and where they live in Sync, where you can see them, what gets reported back to TAC for further administration. And then underneath that, you see where you can manage and enroll your personal devices as well for inventory purposes, keeping an eye on where they are at throughout your organization, what level of firmware they might be on if you're needing to troubleshoot an issue with the help desk. A lot of those things are going to come into play. Firmware updates. These are things that you need to know about across all devices. So I wanted to call that out, in addition to all the value that TAC and the premium services bring from the cloud perspective.
And even on top of that, Josh, I mean, while we're talking about, hey, we can view all of this, I think where Paul really fits in with Ingram is that you guys are the boots on the ground. Neither one of us are providing that solution. And Paul, why don't you tell us how Ingram sort of matches that whole solution together and takes all of the things that we're providing for, hey, this might be a problem, but gives the customers that are coming to you that service of, hey, we can solve for this and we can make sure that you're aware of everything that's here.
Well, that's the value of using Ingram Micro as your distribution partner, because whether you're going to choose that premium service from Microsoft or that standard Teams Room license from Microsoft, we're going to be able to talk about the different software that's available through the Logitech Sync and the premium to make it work together as the best solution for them. Because once we've implemented these tools and things properly, we want to make sure they continue to work. So whether you want to manage it for your customer or you want somebody else to manage it or the end user is going to manage it, bringing in Ingram Micro and having that discussion, we're going to make sure that we recommend the proper solution with the best services along with it.
That's great. So what I'm basically hearing is seamless installment, right? Seamless use and seamless product management and seamless partnership when it comes to Microsoft, Logitech, and Ingram Micro. That's what I'm hearing our message is. So
agreed.
Nailed it.
100%.
All right. Well, we thank you all for joining us, and we hope that you'll log in and subscribe. Thank you.